Hi, this is Mallosis, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to use the A/B split test in the OMS, the OGI Marketing System. For those who are new to internet marketing, A/B split test is a way of using a single URL, let's say in a Facebook ad, to test different pages to see which one works better with our prospects. Let's go ahead and see how to do this. I'll go to my page and templates and create a new page. I'll just select the first template. I'll go ahead and save it, and I'll give it a title A/B demo and use the same as URL. And let's say this is the basic, the initial page that I want to use in my ad. But I'm not sure if this title is going to work better in white or yellow. So I want to create a copy of this page, and I'll do that by clicking on App Test, then the down arrow, Add New Page, and I'll go ahead, click on Variations, click on Original, since I'm working on my original right now, and give it a name A/B Demo Yellow. I'll click on Add New Template, and now I'm working on A/B Demo on the new version. I'll go ahead and select the text, change the color to yellow, save it, and now when I exit this page, I'll go back to my pages list, and on top will be this new page, just the A/B demo URL, but now the icon on the left has changed to AB, showing that this URL corresponds to more than one page. If I click Analytics, I see that I have two pages. I can adjust the weight depending on which page I want to show more. I have the statistics, which are now 0 since we're at the beginning. And then from the Action button, I can go and view the variation, change it, delete it, reset the stats, or just rename the variation. Before testing this, let's go and add another page. So I'll go back to my pages, edit my page, and I'll click on A/B test, then the downside arrow. I want to add a new page, not see the previous variation, and I'll create a new variation, but in the same way I can add one of the pages that I've already created. So I just selected, choose a name, and add new template, or I can create a new page from scratch using one of the templates of the OMS system. But for the moment I want to add a variation to the original version. I'll call this A/B demo red. I'll add it, and now that I'm working on it, I can select my text, change it to red, maybe change it to italics, and of course I can make any change I wish. I can change the background, I can change the text, remove a block of text, anything I want to. So I'll click Save, go back to my pages list, and now when I click Analytics, I see that I'll have 3 pages. Now let's change the weight of the second page to 2. I'll click Save, and let's go and watch that. I'll click on View Variation. The link is olympicmarketingsystem.com/AB demo, and if I refresh that, I'll get the second page, which is in yellow. If I refresh again, I'll still get the second page since we changed the weight to 2. But if I refresh again, I'll get the red italic title, and then if I click it once more, I'll go back to my original. Now let's close that And I said that the function of the A/B split test is similar to the rotator, but several differences which we're going to examine right now. For example, the rotator has a description next to the page, so it's very easy to see which is the page that I'm using right now. This one has got an intro video. This one is has a tools picture on the page. In the A/B test, all I have is the name of the variation, the name of the URL. So I need to name it in a way that is showing very clearly which is the page that I'm using. On the other hand, in the A/B split test, I have the conversion rate comparison. So I can see which page is behaving better. I can go and delete the other ones, or decrease their weight and increase the weight of the page that's doing better. In the rotator, the only way to compare how these pages work is by going to the pages list, find the particular pages, go to their statistics, and then compare the conversion rates from there. Now, the rotator has an advantage over the A/B split test. You can add an entry. Basically, you can add another page, but this page doesn't have to be your OMS page. It can be an OMS page from another member, from a member of your team, and it can also be an external page, pretty much any page you want to. So the rotator is ideal when a team wants to do a team ad. So the person who's going to run the ad can add the links of the different members who are going to participate, and then depending on how much money they want to spend, he can adjust the weight accordingly. So this is the case where one would prefer to use the rotator in the internet marketing campaign. Well, that's all for the A/B split test and the rotator. Hope to see you in another video. Take care.